one of the wildest camper concepts we've looked at is finally a reality. The Romotow caravan was originally revealed over a decade ago and had all the makings of being a one-and-done concept. It was created by an architecture and design firm, existed only as renderings at the time of introduction, and looked entirely like a flight of fancy. But in late 2018, word arose that the Romotow was actually headed for production. And now, another 4 years later, it's here. The production-ready version remains true to the original concept, an amenity-loaded mobile that's a cross between an expandable travel trailer and a tiny home with observatory and covered porch. W2, the firm behind the Romotow design, and its manufacturing partner ACM Motorhomes held the world premiere of the Romotow at the Covey Motorhome, Caravan and Outdoor Super Show in Auckland, New Zealand earlier this month. Despite the Romotow having existed in the virtual world for 11 years and counting, this was the first public showing of the actual prototype we last saw W2 working on in 2020. While many concept RVs and automobiles get simplified and dulled down on their way to market, W2 stuck to its original blueprint, keeping the Romotow T8 as wild and impressive as it was on paper in 2012. The 9.3-meter dual-axle caravan's main cabin nests inside of the open deck area on the ride, to camp before swiveling out to create a two-part space with large covered deck and 4 to 6 sleeper main cabin. The automated hydraulic system pushes the cabin outward and swings it out 90 degrees. The floor plan inside has a roomy dining area in the rounded front cabin, surrounded by wraparound windows. This scenic area doubles as a sleeping space, as the dinette converts over to 2 single beds or 1 double bed. A lift-away double bed is available for 2 added berths. Just behind the dining lounge, the kitchenette comes in buyer's choice of 2 available styles, a 2-counter design with center aisle and under-counter fridge or a single-counter variant with tall fridge. The dual-counter version sees the sink and gas range on separate counters, while the single-counter plan has them side by side. Whichever kitchen the buyer chooses, an L-shaped dry bathroom with corner toilet, sink and shower stands behind it. The bedroom is at the very rear, closed off via its own door. It includes a closet and can be ordered with a single king-size bed or 2 single beds. The patio features composite teak-look deck flooring and paneling and is primarily an open space upon which owners can place camping furniture. Options include a fold-down bench seat or table inside the rounded front nose and removable mesh sidewalls to keep the pests out. The T8 is powered by a 200-ampere lithium battery charged with help from a roof-mounted 395-watt solar array. A C-Zone integrated control system with accompanying app offers monitoring and control of electrical components and other hardware. Buyers can also add more battery capacity, additional solar panels, and an inverter. Entertainment options include pop-up or wall-mounted 32-inch 4K smart TVs, an outdoor projector system with pull-down 82-inch screen, and a multi-zone fusion sound system. The 7,495 pounds Romotow T8 rides on a mild steel tube chassis and tandem Cruisemaster ATX spring suspension. An automated chassis system levels the trailer out at camp. The cabin has an aluminum structure and includes insulated composite walls, flooring, and roofing. The standard package brings along 300L fresh and gray water tanks and a Truma Combi water heater. An air conditioner is available optionally. The Romotow T8 starts at approximately $268,500, and price escalates quickly once the buyer starts adding on options. AMC Motorhomes will build the caravans in New Zealand, and W2 is focusing on the New Zealand and Australian markets, though it does encourage those in other countries to contact it. Securing a place in the build queue requires a non-refundable $6,300 deposit.